Hello sailors! When sailing to Haifa, sail at least 4 miles from the beach. It is advisable to stay at depth of over 10 meters. Check the cruise warnings using notices to mariners. It is important to pay strict attention to the buoys that mark the entrance. Shavit Marina. Mooring only, do not anchor. Approximately 6 miles from the port lies beautiful Akko. Akko Marina is usually fully booked. You can anchor in the bay in 4 to 5 meters. To learn more, visit our website, SeaTV.world. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for new videos.